Capricorn, pause for 1 second. January 9th, 2026 isn't about luck, signs, or sudden miracles. It's about something far more dangerous, quiet authority turning on inside you. You won't feel excited, you won't feel emotional, you'll feel centered, and that's how you know this is real. Today, something shifts in how people respond to you. You don't try harder, you don't explain more, you don't raise your voice. Yet conversations change. Respect shows up without being asked. Situations stop pushing back. This isn't power you chase, it's power that activates when you stop chasing. Most Capricorns never reach this phase because it only appears after exhaustion, disappointment, and letting go of control. But if you're here right now, this message found you on purpose. Stay until the end, because once this authority locks in, your love life, your work, and your future start responding to you differently, without effort. And if you feel this instead of just hearing it, you're exactly where you're supposed to be. Know, the moment your energy changes, even if no one notices yet. Capricorn, January 9th, 2026, does not arrive with noise. There is no dramatic announcement, no sudden miracle, no sign blazing across the sky demanding attention. And that is exactly why this moment is real. What activates today isn't external, it's internal. Something ancient within you quietly reawakens. A silent authority you were born carrying, but learned early to suppress. Not because you lacked strength, but because the world taught you patience before power. This isn't the kind of day that excites you. It steadies you. You may wake up feeling unusually calm, not happy, not energized, just calm. That calm is not emptiness, it's command. For years, your strength was misunderstood. You were expected to explain yourself, justify your boundaries, soften your tone, and prove your worth through constant effort. And you did. Because survival required it. Because being capable meant being responsible, even when it drained you. But something changes today. Not outwardly, internally. You stop trying to be respected and start being undeniable. This authority does not come from dominance, force, or control. It comes from self-recognition. The exact moment you stop negotiating your value inside yourself, the outside world has no option but to respond differently. You may begin to notice subtle shifts. People listen more carefully when you speak. Conversations slow down in your presence. Others unconsciously match your tone or energy. No one will announce it, but you'll feel it. This is not coincidence, this is alignment. January 9th activates a Capricorn truth most people never reach. Real power doesn't announce itself. It rearranges the room quietly. And here's the part few are willing to say out loud. This activation only happens after deep exhaustion, after disappointment, after you finally realize that pushing harder doesn't make life open faster. You didn't lose your fire, you refined it. What's changing now isn't your ambition, it's how you carry it. You no longer chase validation. You don't over-explain your choices. You don't fill silence with effort or reassurance. Silence works for you now. You don't rush to respond. You don't rush to fix. You don't rush to prove. And because of that, your presence becomes heavier than your words. If you feel oddly detached from people who once had emotional access to you, understand this clearly. That isn't coldness. That is authority setting boundaries without resistance. You're not pulling away. You're standing firm. Pause here. Because the universe is not asking you to do more. It's not demanding effort, sacrifice, or struggle. It's asking you to stand still and allow others to feel the difference. This is the moment where people sense that something about you has shifted, even if they can't explain it. You're no longer available for chaos. You're no longer accessible through pressure. And the moment they realize that, everything changes. Know too why this power had to stay hidden until now. Capricorn, the reason your authority remained dormant for so long is not a flaw in you. It was protection. If this power had activated earlier, you would have used it to shield others instead of anchoring yourself. You would have poured your strength outward, trying to stabilize everyone else before securing your own ground. You were conditioned to be responsible early, to carry weight that wasn't yours, to be dependable while others learned through mistakes you were never allowed to make. That kind of forced maturity creates capability, but it delays one essential permission: the right to lead yourself first. January 9th changes that. Not with confrontation, with clarity. This date activates a realization that cuts deeply but heals quickly. Not everyone deserves access to your strength. For years you operated like a generator. You produced solutions, energy, consistency, and emotional stability, while others consumed freely. You didn't complain, you adapted. You believed being needed meant being valued. But that cycle ends now. Quietly, decisively. And here's what most people misunderstand about Capricorn energy. When you withdraw effort, it's not punishment, it's not resentment, it's not emotional distance, it's reallocation. You're not becoming distant, you're becoming selective. You're choosing where your energy goes instead of letting it be pulled from you. This hidden authority activates the moment you recognize your internal hierarchy, a structure you were always meant to operate from. Your peace comes before approval. Your direction comes before consensus. Your time comes before explanations. That shift alone changes how people experience you. Some will feel uneasy around you now, not because you've become colder, but because you're no longer absorbing their emotional weight. You're no longer buffering their chaos. You're no longer over-functioning to keep things smooth. And when that happens, your silence becomes magnetic. You stop reacting to provocation. You stop rescuing people from lessons meant for them. You stop proving your value through effort. And suddenly, people lean in. They listen longer. They choose their words more carefully. They sense that access to you now requires intention. January 9th marks the end of your need to be understood by everyone. You realize something most people never fully grasp. Clarity doesn't require consensus. You don't owe the world a performance. You don't owe explanations for your boundaries. You don't owe energy to those who drain you. You owe yourself alignment. And the moment that truth locks in, your authority activates automatically. You don't claim it. You don't announce it. You simply operate from it. Opportunities begin moving toward you instead of requiring pursuit. Respect arrives without being demanded. Even conflict loses interest in you because it can't attach to calm certainty. This power doesn't argue, it doesn't chase, it doesn't dominate. It ends things cleanly. You're not louder now, you're heavier, and weight always wins. Stay with this feeling. Because what unfolds next depends on how deeply you trust this shift, and whether you allow yourself to move forward without dragging old dynamics behind you. Know how your silent authority changes love, work, and destiny, Capricorn. Once this authority locks in, nothing interacts with you the same way again. The shift isn't dramatic, but it is permanent. You don't need to announce it. Life simply responds differently to you. Across love, work, and the direction your future begins to take. In love, the first thing that changes is what you no longer tolerate. You stop overgiving. You stop managing emotions that aren't yours. You stop carrying the responsibility for someone else's healing. And most importantly, you stop confusing loyalty with self-sacrifice. This doesn't make you distant. It makes you unshakable. Your energy becomes steady instead of accommodating. You don't chase closeness, you don't prove commitment through exhaustion, you allow connection to meet you where you stand. And something fascinating happens. Someone either rises to meet your steadiness, or fades without drama. That's the key. No drama, no arguments, no emotional tug of war, no dramatic endings. What isn't aligned simply falls away, quietly. And what is aligned finally feels safe enough to stay. This same authority changes how you move in work and purpose-driven spaces. You're no longer the hardest worker trying to be seen or appreciated. You stop overperforming just to earn validation. Instead, you become the standard others adjust to. People begin to notice things they didn't before. They ask for your final word instead of debating. They trust your judgment instinctively. They pause before challenging you. You didn't demand authority. You embodied it. January 9th also marks the closing of a karmic loop. A long cycle where you had to struggle for recognition, prove your reliability, or carry more than your share finally ends. Not with applause, not with a grand announcement, with quiet confirmation. You may receive a subtle opportunity that doesn't feel forced, an unexpected message that arrives without effort, or a moment where you realize you no longer care about something that once controlled your decisions. That's the moment you'll know, because indifference is not numbness, it's freedom. Your destiny no longer accelerates through pressure or persistence. It moves through gravity now, and gravity doesn't chase, it attracts. People, opportunities, and decisions start aligning around you instead of pulling you off center. You don't push life forward anymore, you let it organize itself in your presence. This is where many Capricorns experience something bittersweet, relief mixed with detachment. You may feel less reactive, less emotionally hooked, less invested in outcomes that once consumed your energy. You're not disconnected from life. You're no longer entangled in what isn't aligned. That's mastery. Your authority now shapes outcomes without resistance. You stop arguing with the universe. You stop forcing timelines. You stop questioning every step. You move with clarity instead of urgency. And when you do, paths clear that you didn't even ask for. Doors open without pressure. Decisions resolve themselves. Life becomes quieter, but far more powerful. This is not the end of your journey. This is the point where it finally begins to move with you instead of against you. Stay here, because what comes next isn't about becoming more. It's about trusting what you already are. Know 4, the final truth, and why this is only the beginning. Capricorn, here is the truth most people will never say clearly enough to matter. You didn't gain power today. You remembered it. What reactivates on January 9th, 2026 is not something new. It's something that has always lived inside you, buried beneath responsibility, endurance, and years of being the strong one for everyone else. This date is not a finish line. It's a recalibration point, a moment where effort transforms into influence and persistence evolves into presence. From this day forward, the rules you lived by no longer apply. You don't need to rush. You don't need to compete. You don't need to convince. Your authority no longer comes from motion. It comes from stillness. It works when you trust silence more than reaction, when you stop filling space with explanations, when you allow pauses to do the work words once did for you. And here's the invitation the universe extends now. Quiet, but unmistakable. Don't announce this change. Don't explain it. Don't test it. Just move differently. Let people feel the absence of your over-effort. Let them notice that you no longer rush to fix, save, or stabilize. Let situations resolve without your intervention. Let life meet you where you stand instead of chasing it from behind. This is not withdrawal. This is command without noise. You are no longer building power. You are standing in it. And standing in power feels unfamiliar at first. It can feel like detachment, like space, like watching instead of reacting. But that space is where mastery lives. This is the moment you stop mistaking motion for progress. You realize how often you moved simply because stillness once felt unsafe. How often you carried responsibility just to maintain control. How often you believed effort was the price of worth. That chapter closes here. Now, you let outcomes respond to your alignment instead of your anxiety. Some people won't know how to approach you anymore. Some situations will resolve on their own, some connections will fade without explanation. None of this is loss. It's realignment. You're not becoming less accessible because you're cold. You're becoming less available because you finally respect your own energy. And the universe responds to that instantly. Decisions become clearer. Resistance decreases. Life starts cooperating instead of challenging you. This is where you realize something profound. Authority doesn't demand attention. It receives it. Your calm becomes your signature. Your restraint becomes your strength. Your silence becomes your message. You don't argue with life anymore. You don't push against timing. You don't negotiate with what feels wrong. You simply move when it's aligned and wait when it's not. And that is the beginning of a completely different kind of success. If you felt this message instead of just hearing it, if something clicked quietly inside you without excitement or fear, that's how you know it's real. Not loud, not dramatic, certain. Comment below, not to explain, not to justify, just to acknowledge that you're stepping into a version of yourself that no longer asks for permission. Capricorn, January 9th, 2026. A hidden secret activates your silent authority. Capricorn, January 9th, 2026 doesn't mark a loud breakthrough. It marks a quiet return. A moment when you stop pushing life forward and realize it has already adjusted to you. What activates now isn't ambition, it's authority. Not the kind that demands attention, but the kind that reshapes situations without effort. You don't need to explain yourself anymore. You don't need to prove reliability or justify boundaries. The part of you that once carried everything learns how to stand instead of strain. This is the day you recognize something deeply personal. Your strength was never meant to be constantly used. It was meant to be respected. You move differently now. You pause before responding. You choose silence over reaction. And strangely, the world listens more closely because of it. Conversations soften. Pressure loses grip. People sense that access to you is no longer automatic. That shift isn't distance, it's alignment. You may notice a release from expectations, from emotional labor, from the need to manage outcomes. What once demanded effort begins to resolve naturally. You don't chase clarity anymore. It meets you where you stand. January 9th isn't about becoming someone new. It's about remembering who you were before responsibility taught you to shrink your presence. From here forward, your authority works quietly. It guides without force, it protects without noise, it attracts what's meant for you without asking. If this message felt calm instead of exciting, that's how you know it's real. And if something inside you settled as you read this, leave a comment below. Not to explain, not to convince, just to acknowledge that you're stepping into a version of yourself that no longer asks for permission.